Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to solve signal phone not appear on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to solve the issues of the signal icon not appearing on your phone ensures that you can maintain reliable communication, productivity, and functionality with your device. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Try removing and reinserting the SIM card. And then the other way, first you can turn off your phone. And if this method doesn't work, you can open the settings menu and select connection. After that, select SIM manager option, and then you can make sure that the SIM card is active. And if it looks like this, and then you can activate it by tapping this button. Okay, so now the signal is successfully displayed on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to solve signal phone not appear on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.